And continuing. Alright, continuing. Let's do with this. Here we go. One leg first in the hole, then the other release, hold, down, down baby, down. Alright, this is good. This looks even. Yep. It's going up. Okay. It's always in this side. These two takes longer. Well, in that case, let's give them the chance without affecting the others. Come on. No, it's not going to melt in this way. Alright, another way. Beep, beep, beep. Pressure. Release one, release the other leg. Let's go here. One leg first, the other later. Pressure. Alright. Holding. Ooh. Okay. Keep pressure here. Okay, 3 minutes. Too much time. Again. Alright, another release. One leg first. The other. Here we go. Yes. Yes. Alright, move up. In the middle, in the middle. Okay. Pressure here. But I do not want to hit up the other. Oh, the middle. I get it. The middle. The middle is like this. So let's use it. And this is the hottest part. Hottest. Well, let's use it. The needle. Exactly there, in the hottest part. Here. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Damn it, my sleeve, my sleeve. Yeah. No. Right there is melting. Yes. Little more. 5 seconds. 5. 1, 0. Let's go. Okay, I did a little scratch here. Yeah, too much pressure from the pliers. Yeah. So the hottest part in this area. Let's go. One leg. Beep, beep, beep. One leg first. One leg first. Yes. That's how you find this. Let nature and heat just go. Come on, come on. Yes, self-tilt. Self-tilt. Damn it, the white. The white LEDs. One left, one left. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Nope. Not enough time. Oh, no. It bubbled. It bubbled a little, but it's not well. And this happened before, is that the white LEDs have something different than the other